Safe, seamless and beautiful. A flow between inside and out that's become increasingly popular in building design. Remove that raised door sill barrier and you not only create an open integrated space, you also have a trip and slip resistant entry, safer for children, wheelchair access and the elderly. But not all flush floor door systems are created equal. Integrate by Ezi Aluminium Systems is the most innovative and compliant flush sill system on the market. This patented design is a combination of a subsill and drainage channel merged into a singular system with a perfectly flat finish. With its collection chamber formed right across the full width of the sill, plus a larger outlet pipe installed directly beneath, Integrate substantially increases water storage capacity and drainage. Integrate is game-changing, successfully tested at an independent NATA facility to achieve a staggering 450 Pascal water penetration resistance, significantly exceeding the 150 Pascal requirement. With fewer components, this all-in-one system requires absolutely no on-site customization. The simplest way to install is with a standard 25mm shallow recess and one single pour, but Integrate is flexible enough to play happily with the many ways a builder might choose to form the slab and recesses. With its fast, easy installation, plumbing is simplified, labour costs are reduced, and you're guaranteed a flush finish every time. This innovative system not only saves time and money, it also eliminates the risk and cost of overflow and flooding. Any debris that enters through the drain grate is contained in the serviceable drain grate container, away from the drainage pipe. The pre-slotted wall between the sill chamber also acts as a secondary filter, significantly reducing the risk of any blockages. When it comes to flush sill thresholds, it's what's beneath the surface that matters most. So it's no surprise that the patented Integrate is another stylish innovation in aluminium by Ezi Aluminium Systems. As experts in problem solving, this talented team have designed and created a thoughtful solution for perfectly flat room transitions. A complete system with proven compliance, weatherability and durability built in. All Integrate components are aluminium to eliminate corrosion caused by the combined use of dissimilar metals. And standardised, interchangeable sections suit multiple door and window systems.
I had a vision of the boys scootering, skateboarding, inside and out, and being polished concrete, you can't really hurt the floors, so that was the whole design aspect of our build. And we identified a really standout product, and that was Integrate. It ticked all our boxes. It had unlimited options with the doors and the windows and the louver sections, and we wanted the stacker door in the back and the bifold door to the side. I showed the builder Integrate, and he liked what he saw. We got the plumber on board, and it was really quite simple. It was easy installation, and we got a great product, great result. We can open up the doors when entertaining. The Integrate drain, you can easily remove it, wipe it out, hose it out. It never backs up with any leaf matter or anything. I never have a problem with it. It's very user-friendly, maintenance-free, and it's aluminium as well, so no problems like tea staining with stainless steel or any upkeep like that. We wanted to lose the sills and even our head tracks. Once you open up the doors, it completely minimises and goes away. You don't even know it's there. Would highly recommend the Integrate to anyone looking for the flush sill option. Very, very simple and easy product, and it's withstood the test of time.
Integrate by Ezi Aluminium Systems, the game-changing flush sill innovation that allows uninterrupted floor surfaces for seamless integration between areas.